Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You must be signed in as an administrator. Once you confirm that, save any open files because some changes can prompt restarts. Open Start, type Windows Security, and select the app to proceed. In the Windows Security window, choose Virus and Threat Protection so you can access real-time protection controls. This is the first actionable step. You are now in the correct panel and ready to toggle real-time protection temporarily. Keep the admin credentials handy for the next confirmation if prompted. Once you click Manage Settings, locate the real-time protection toggle and switch it off. You will see a short confirmation or user account control prompt. Accept it with your admin credentials. You are disabling active scanning so a specific app or install can run. Make sure any installer or change is ready before you switch. Remember, Windows can re-enable protection automatically after a reboot, update, or after a short timed interval, so plan your task immediately and do not leave the system unmonitored. With real-time protection off, run the specific installation or task you needed to perform. Once complete, go back and re-enable the toggle to restore protection. If the toggle resets itself or is grayed out, open Gpedit. MSC or Windows Security Settings to check group policy restrictions and verify no third-party antivirus is enforcing its own settings. Make sure to restart if prompted and confirm protection is active. If problems persist, update Windows and try again, then recheck security status.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.